Welcome friends, welcome to Smarty Kids. Today we are talking about one grammar topic which is pronoun. It is a very interesting chapter, so you have to listen to it carefully. So let's get started. So let me talk about pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that are used in place of nouns. For example, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. In simple language, pronouns are the words which are used in the place of noun. Okay, so let's read all about it. So kinds of pronoun. So we have read kinds of noun and other. So today we are reading about kinds of pronoun. So first is personal pronoun. They are used instead of noun for person or things. Okay, so for example, please remember all these things which are highlighted. It is very important. Examples, it is the examples that are very helpful to you. I, we, you, they, he, she, it, me, him, her, them, us. So um, these are the words that are used in personal pronouns. For example, I bought some batteries. First person, I bought some batteries means that me. I means me. So me is the first person. Sorry. You are a graceful dancer. Second person. You means another one person. So another one person is the second person. He, she lives in USA. He is the third person because he is not in the I, you, and etc. etc. Okay. So our possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun, they are used to show possession or to show relationship between people and objects. For example, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. I have tell you that you have to remember the things that are highlighted. Okay, so these are the mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. These are all the things, words that are started or in between the sentence to show possessive or possession or relationship. For example, is this pen yours? It in the last it is coming yours. 1 minute. Yours. Then this book is mine. So it is coming mine. So it is showing relationship. Mine. Is this CMAS at the 39 as S jacket is it is yours. So as you can see here you have confused that this is the name of the jacket. Hashtag 39 comma S jacket. Yes, it is hers. Is this Seema's and Esther Seema and this is the name of the jacket, okay? And hashtag 39 comma S jacket. Yes, it is hers. So hers is possessive pronoun. So our next topic is reflexive pronouns. So let's talk about it. Reflexive pronouns are words ending in self or self. Okay, they are used when the subject and the object of a sentence are same. For example, myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, ourself, yourself, and themselves. So these you have to remember that I have highlighted. You have to remember these all. Okay, these. Okay, so examples are they hurt themselves. Themselves is the reflexive pronoun. I did it myself. Myself is also. The dog bit itself. Itself is also. Are you talking to yourself or yourself is also? So our next is emphatic pronoun. When reflexive pronouns are used to emphasize the noun. They are called emphatic pronouns. They are placed immediately after the nouns or pronoun. So this is the definition of emphatic pronoun. So let's read about example. Examples are myself, herself, or yourself. So he himself breaks all the bread. This is the one. The cat itself opened the door. I myself did it. Tia herself made the vase. So these are all the examples. Okay, these. Okay, this, and this. These are all. Okay. So next topic is demonstrative pronoun. They point to the noun to which they refer. For example, this, that, these, and those. They point out demonstrative pronouns, and the another demonstrative is the same. Okay. For example, this is my book. Demon, demonate, sorry, denote nearness singular. Okay. So this is my book. It is shows nearness, or the book is singular. These are old cars. Denote nearness and plural. That book was yours. Denote fairness and singular. Those were new cars. Denote fairness and plural. Okay. So our next topic is interrogative pronoun. They are used to ask question. Interrogative noun and interrogative pronouns are same, but the thing is other. Okay. So examples are who, which, what, where, and how are the examples. Let's take the example of sentences. Who told you to do that? Whose are these five? Which dog won the race? Whom do you want to see? Okay, these are the interrogative. So our seventh topic is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun refers a noun mentioned before it. Examples are which, that, who, whom, or whose. Okay, so these are the examples, and examples of sentences are that is the boy who told me about the meeting. She is the girl whom the teacher scolded yesterday. This is the bag which is brought from Delhi. So these are the sentences. Next topic is identifinate pronouns. They are used when we do not know the identity of the person or things. Okay, for examples, nobody, somebody, all, anything, everything, everyone, and none. Example of sentences are nobody helped him, somebody rescued him, I have eaten everything available in the fridge. So the all are nobody, somebody, and everything. Okay. So our next topic is oh now. Our pronouns are finished. It is so small chapter. It is small because we have learned this chapter in the previous classes. So our video is now finished. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my video and do not forget to press the bell icon. Bye bye.